Students, this is a video that will give you brief introduction about Visual Studio IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. As you are all aware, Visual Studio is developed by Microsoft. So the look will be just similar to MS Office. Here you can see the options like File, Edit, View, Project and so on. If you want to see toolbox, it is viewed on left hand side of the screen. If it is not visible, you have to click on view and you can click on toolbox and make it visible on left side. The middle portion is something where you are putting the form, and in form you will drag and drop all the tools available in toolbox. On right hand side there are two parts. The first one is named as Solution Explorer. In Solution Explorer you will see the name of project in bold font with the number of forms you have taken in the project. On below is the property window. Whatever tool you are selecting from toolbox, its property will be seen on right hand side. These all properties are displayed for form. As you can see, we have taken not a single tool from toolbox. So by default form is selected and all these properties are of form. As you can see, the form is named as form 2. So the text property of this form is form 2. On below part of the middle screen, you will see the list of error if occurred while running the project. So now let us develop one application that will help us to learn how to declare variable and how to use them. If you want to take any of the label, just drag and drop it on the form. Most of the control have same property, that is name and text. The name property is the identifier of that particular control. So the name will be label 1 as you can see here, and the text property will be also label 1. But if you are changing the text property and saying it like enter value 1, it will be changed. The name will be label 1 but the text property will change. The text is something we are looking around the label. Now I will take another label and change its text property as enter value 2. So in form I have taken two things, enter value 1 and enter value 2. Now I will take two text box to allow user to enter the value of their choice. Again, text box has default name as text box 1. This text box will have default name as text box 2 and the text property of this text box will be blank because user is entering value during execution of program. Now we will take 4 buttons for basic operations plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulo, which are all considered as arithmetic operations. So we are taking plus, we will have the next button as minus. Each and every button's text property will be changed according to the symbol or work. The next will be multiplication. The next will be division, and the last one will be modulo. Now, whenever you will click on a particular button or form, the default event of that particular tool will be available. So if I am clicking on this particular button, I will get button 1's click event. If I am clicking on button number 2, I will get button 2's click event. Similarly, if I am double clicking on form, I will get form's load event. Each and every control has a default event which is executed either on clicking or double clicking it. So for the first operation, that is addition, I need to declare the variables. The syntax to declare variable in VB.NET is dim variable name, that is a, as data type. Data type is integer. Again I am repeating, the syntax is dim variable name as data type. I need to take three variables, so I am writing dim a as integer, dim b as integer, and dim answer as integer. Now I will fetch the value of text box into variable. User જે value text box માં enter કરી છે એ મારે ક્યાં લાવવાની છે variable માં. So I will write a equals to val textbox1 dot text. With the help of text property, I can fetch the value. Next statement will be b equals to val textbox2 dot text. Then I will write answer equals to a plus b because I want to perform addition operation on values of a and b. I want to display the message, that is the addition of two numbers. So I will take a message box, that is simply MSG box. In that I will write the variable name. The variable name is answer. Okay. So now let us run the application. If I am writing 12 and 20 and if I click on plus button, I will get the answer as 32. Similarly, I can write the minus operation on button number 2 click event. So I will do a copy and a paste over here. I will simply change the sign and the operation will be minus. Then for multiplication, I will change the operation as multiplication instead of plus. For division, here the sign will be of division, and for modulo, I need to write MOD as per syntax of VB.NET, and here you will get the modulo of the values of A and B. Now let us run the application. Here if I enter the value 34 and 17, the plus will be 51, the minus will be 17, the multiplication will be 578, the division will be 2, and modulo operation will produce value 0. So this is a simple program which makes you learn how to declare the variable, how to drag and drop the controls from toolbox to form, how to use the arithmetic operator, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. This green arrow specifies how to run the application. If you want to run application, click on the green arrow available. Once you are running the application, stop it, and again you will be back in the code window.